Tom. We've got customers asking, you know when you polish those shoes, you did a pair of ladies' shoes and you polished them darker.
Yep.
How did you do it exactly?
Got a darker polish.
Yeah, well, show me, what polish? Quick, which polish is it? What? Where are you going now?
I don't know.
Okay.
That one.
That one there, okay. And that's just what you went over it with?
Yeah.
Yes, can you use any other polish?
Yeah.
Yeah? And all you did was just polish them with a dark, real dark polish. So that shoe would normally have a light tan polish on, and you went over them with a dark tan. Lovely. And then back to light tan, or just with the dark tan?
Just with dark tan.
Lovely. And people aren't going to make a bugger of the shoes, are they? No. No, or probably not. No. But it's risky, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Yeah. And it's at your own risk.
At your own risk.
Yeah, right. Lovely. Thank you.